One of the greatest additions to my garden this year is what I like to call the tray of sacrifice. That's what it looks like. Now let me tell you what it's for. You see, every time I find a caterpillar eating one of my prized vegetables, I don't want to just go ahead and squish it. No. That'd be so savage. Instead, I just pluck off the stem or remove the leaf where the guilty party resides, and then into the tray of sacrifice it goes. And then we back up and wait. The birds and I get along pretty great since I've added this, so I won't be waiting very long.
I got distracted and the birds got to that caterpillar. But here is a previous example of a bird feast. All in all, this is a great way to feed your local ecosystem and solve a pest problem without any pesticides. An added bonus is these birds have started to show up more since they know I've got that good.